Is now taking legal action against the owner of this home after more than 4 dozen calls for police in just the last year.
Neighbors say they're really fed up and they're afraid. They told Channel 9's Dave Faraday about the extreme measures they're taking to stay safe.
Well, right here is the nuisance complaint filed by the town of Granite Falls. The police chief says the home that you see behind me doesn't have power or water running to it, but there are people here both day and night causing problems. Police Chief Chris Jenkins showed us the 3-inch thick file on the home along Forest Hills Court. He says many of the calls here center around narcotics, including methamphetamine. On average, he says officers are at the home several times a week.
Unfortunately, it's rose to the level that we're going to have to take court action, civil action to get it stopped. It's taken up too much time and resources.
A neighbor shared this photo of narcotics officers raiding the home on 2 different occasions. The complaint filed by the town of Granite Falls is asking for a judge to decide if the property has become a nuisance, ordering the owner to forfeit the home if the activity doesn't stop.
To feel safe in our neighborhood and to be able to walk around, we have to actually be armed.
Tony Roney showed us where he now wears a firearm when he's outside. He also placed no trespassing signs on his property after some of his items were stolen. We went to the home today to try to talk to the owner, but no one came to the door, and we could see where one of the entrances was padlocked. Police say the owner will have to go in front of a judge next month, where he could be ordered to stay off the property.
We just would like to take back our neighborhood from a drug bunch. It's not safe for us. My wife won't even come outside to walk the dog.
Just people, just foot traffic constantly in and out of the neighborhood going to this house right here.
And we also found in these court papers here that the town of Granite Falls wants the owner of the property to be taxed for their legal fees and the investigation done by police.